Are you tired of living month to month, trying to make ends meet? Do you dream of financial freedom and having the ability to achieve your goals without worrying about money? Becoming a millionaire may seem like an impossible goal, but it is possible with dedication and smart decisions. There are many ways to become a millionaire, but sure, it's not a thing you need to do once and it works. It requires dedication, hard work, and determination. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it is possible to achieve your goal. In this video, we cover 14 different ways to become a millionaire. By taking a strategic approach to managing your finances, you'll be well on your way towards making those $1,000,000 dreams a reality. Way number 1. Understand the power of compound interest. Compound interest is a great way to increase your wealth over time. It works by reinvesting the interest already earned, making it an investment that continuously compounds with time. With compound interest, the longer you leave your money invested, the more value it will gain. Therefore, understanding and harnessing the power of compound interest should be an important part of any financial plan. Compound interest can be used both as an extra income source when investing in savings accounts, or as a tool to build long-term wealth through stocks and mutual funds. No matter how you use it, understanding how to effectively invest in compound interest will pay off in the long run. Way number 2. Invest money wisely. It is important to invest money wisely so that you can reach your financial goals. By doing research and becoming familiar with the different types of investments available, you can make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long term. When making a decision, considering the rate of return, how liquid the asset is, and any potential risks associated with it is key for success. Additionally, maintaining a diversified portfolio is a great way to mitigate risk and have greater success in investing your money. With careful planning and research, investing your hard-earned money can be both beneficial as well as rewarding. Way number 3. Create multiple streams of income. Generating multiple streams of income is the key to creating financial freedom. Not only can it increase your available funds and give you more flexibility, but it will also provide a cushion against potential losses in any one area of income. Whether you have traditionally been employed or are a business owner, there are different options for creating multiple streams for yourself that include everything from side hustles to developing new skills and even investing in real estate. Way number 4. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a smart and profitable move for anyone looking for long-term wealth and financial security and becoming a millionaire. Real estate tends to appreciate over time, making it one of the best ways to grow your money without taking on too much risk. Additionally, investing in real estate allows you to diversify your portfolio. Putting some of your money into different types of assets can help protect you from fluctuations in the stock market. And let's not forget about the potential possible extra income you could receive from rental properties or vacation homes. Ultimately, investing in real estate is an attractive option for many investors who are seeking steady returns with low volatility. Way number 5. Set financial goals and stick to them. Setting financial goals and then sticking to them can be an invaluable tool to take control of your financial future. Doing this involves setting a plan and creating tangible steps to reach these goals. Creating obtainable yet challenging goals can provide motivation for prioritizing and saving money. Furthermore, it is a smart idea to break up longer-term goals into smaller, achievable objectives that create success along the way and help keep momentum going towards these larger targets. When it comes to actually implementing your plan and commit to saving, seeking professional advice or breaking down possible solutions into easy steps can prove beneficial in keeping you on track. Taking charge of your finances by setting realistic goals and seeing them through is an excellent way to ensure success in any endeavor related to money management. Way number 6. Have a positive mindset about money. It's no secret that money has always been a significant factor in our lives. But when it comes to having a positive mindset about it, it's important to remember that our outlook directly impacts how we handle finances. A positive mindset means setting goals, looking at your budget realistically, and feeling empowered by the choices you make with your hard-earned money, instead of allowing the dollar amount to determine your worth. When you make wise financial decisions and feel proud of the progress you've made, it can provide a mental boost and propel you towards achieving even more financially, for yourself and those around you. When armored with knowledge and confidence, money truly has the power to be an asset in making life better, both on an emotional and practical level. Way number 7. Get educated about finances. Learning about finances is an important part of adulthood. Education about financial topics such as budgeting, investment, and retirement planning can help equip individuals to make smart decisions when it comes to their money. It's never too late to get educated about finances and start taking steps towards having financial freedom in the long term. Take some time now to look into the financial options available, and you'll be thankful later when you know how to use your money wisely. Way number 8. Start a business and grow it. Starting a business can be an intimidating process, but with proper research and planning, it can be immensely rewarding. It is essential to define the goals you want to achieve and then make a comprehensive list of activities and processes that will help you reach them. Obtaining necessary permits and paperwork must also be factored in, as well as an effective budgeting strategy. Fundraising should also be considered when starting a business, from debt or equity financing to finding angel investors to increase cash flow. Finally, creating a team of advisors who have experience with startup businesses can provide valuable insight for navigating the legal and financial complexities associated with growing a business. Way number 9. Be frugal and save your money. Making decisions to be more frugal could save you a great deal of money in the long run. If spending is given careful consideration, small sacrifices can add up significantly over time. Taking an honest look at your budget and asking yourself if certain purchases are truly necessary is the first step towards a more frugal lifestyle. Even something as small as packing lunch instead of getting takeout every day will make an impact. For larger investments, research any purchase carefully before making it so that you make the most out of your spending. To further stretch your dollar, always remember to comparison shop for products or services when possible. Being motivated and committed to being financially responsible can quickly turn into a habit that brings about financial freedom. Way number 10. Live below your means. Living below your means can be an incredibly rewarding lifestyle for many people. Not only does it build financial security, but it allows you to free up resources for other endeavors. Living within your means requires fiscal discipline, which means avoiding impulse purchases and wasting money on things you don't need. Making a list before going shopping and prioritizing items based on necessity can help with this. You should also look at ways to increase income while decreasing or cutting back expenses, such as subscribing to streaming services versus paying for cable television. Taking time to budget your finances will help ensure that you're not overspending, and what you have left can cover potential emergencies. Way number 11. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget and sticking to it can be an effective way to get your finances under control. Setting limits on spending habits and keeping track of the money you have coming in and going out will help keep you from running into financial problems down the line. Once you've created a budget that works for you, taking time to review it monthly or quarterly to make sure it's still working as intended. Keeping a strict budget can be difficult at first, but if done correctly, it will become second nature over time and set you on the right path towards financial security. Way number 12. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can be one of the most fulfilling choices you make. Taking the time to focus on developing skills, deepening relationships, and improving your overall well-being is an essential part of health and happiness. Many different activities may help to do this, including things like attending classes, going to a retreat, or reading to enhance knowledge. Understanding your individual needs is also a key component in successful personal investment. Using effective self-care strategies like exercise and proper nutrition provides long-lasting benefits that will pay dividends for years to come. Investing in yourself pays off not only by enhancing quality of life, but also through high career success, improved relationships with others, and increased financial freedom. Way number 13. Stay disciplined with your spending habit. One of the most important aspects of any successful budget is staying disciplined with your spending habits. It takes hard work and dedication to keep a balanced budget, and it can be tempting to overspend. The key is to make sure you spend within your means. Your long-term financial health will thank you later. We all know that life happens, so put aside some money for emergencies or special occasions. But don't go overboard. Spend the money that you have allotted yourself each month and be sure to write down all purchases over a certain amount. By examining our spending habits, we are able to understand where and when our money goes in order to make it easier to stick to a budget going forward. Way number 14. Pay off debt as quickly as possible. Paying off debt quickly is the best way to go. Paying off debt sooner rather than later helps to reduce interest payments and frees up money for other financial goals, such as saving for college or retirement. By paying down debt, you not only save yourself money, but also improve your credit rating, making it easier to get a loan or rent an apartment in the future. It is important to develop a plan that works within your means and make smart and responsible payment decisions. To make this process easier, break large debts into smaller payments and pay more than the minimum when required. Taking these steps can help make reaching financial freedom achievable. Saving and investing money is crucial if you want to become financially successful. You need to be mindful of your spending habits and make sure you're living below your means. It is also important to get rid of any debt that you have as soon as possible. Budgeting is key when it comes to financial success. Make sure you invest in yourself and stay disciplined with your finances. If you follow these tips, you will be on the right track to building wealth over time. Now we're at the end of this video. If you got value from this video, you'll also like these videos. Thanks for spending time with us.